who is the target of trolls? Anyone can be a target, right?
Anyone can be a target at all. So DCU did a study a couple of years ago where they talked about, like, have you ever experienced online hate, which would encompass trolling as well as some other things as well. And nearly half of people had. So that's over a lifetime. But women experience it about twice as much as men.
Yay.
And then anyone, like a member of the LGBTQ plus community, anyone with a disability, anyone who's an ethnic minority, anyone with a different skin color, anyone with a different religion, particularly Islam, all experience it at much, much higher levels than your standard straight white Catholic male.
Okay.
Well, as a straight white Catholic male, I can vouch. I've been posting on social media now for 3 or 4 years, and I always said that I'm so lucky that my community is so friendly and so positive, because I try and keep my content that, and obviously my nephew Oshin features quite a bit in my content, so I really do have a zero tolerance policy. And for about 3 years, I didn't get anything. And then coming into the end of last year, for whatever reason, it started to come in, and I couldn't get off the couch for a full day. Like, I didn't think it would affect me as much as it would, and I have friends in the industry who really went through a bad time. And will there be any repercussions going forward? Will there be any implementations put in place for people to actually get reprimanded for this behaviour?
It depends. Like, it is quite difficult to prosecute. It's quite difficult to find the line between, I suppose, someone's reasonable free speech and what is criminal. I think social media platforms could be doing more. There's some things that do seem to work quite well, like little nudges. And I don't know if you've ever seen them when you go to post something, you say, other people tend not to use language like this. Are you sure you want to post it? That actually does reduce the amount of accidental trolling and harassment people do. So the kind of people who get caught up in it, rather than the kind of people who are maliciously setting out to do it, it's going to be harder to tackle them.